I have full spoilers for the December 2023 Allure Beauty Box. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. There's a lot to love about this time of year, but the way winter can dry out your skin and hair is not on the list. It's time to call in the reinforcements, beloved moisturizers, trusty hair and face masks, and a favorite little tube of highlighter that always helps. Feel a glow of complexion just isn't having it. Inside your December beauty box, you'll find formulas the editors use to boost hydration and radiance all winter long, and 3 Allure Best of Beauty Award winners. Whether you squeeze these into a busy routine or spend some extra time at home luxuriating with them, they hope that you'll find everything you need to shine bright this month. So the deal. So currently new members will get a free Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. Love those. That has a $35 value with their first box. Plus get a $10 off your monthly box and $15 off your first quarterly box or $35 off your annual subscription if you use the coupon code BIG SALE. So the box is normally $25 per month. So what it's going to include is an Aqua 4 repairing hand mask, a real collagen sheet mask, a blue illuminating seaweed clay mask, a Maria Nile head and hair heel booster mask, a Pixie and Rose Radiance Perfector full size, an Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream full size, a Heritage Store Rose Water and Glycerin Hydrating Facial Mist deluxe size, a Billy Starter Kit full size, a Real Miracle Patch Invisible Spot cover. Let me know if you guys are thinking about picking this up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.